बचपन में ही मॉम ने मुझे बोला था कि यू आर अ गर्ल एंड a girl is seen differently in the society. When I was like 12 or 13, I remember having this chat and my mom is like, कभी भी कोई अजीब तरीके से देखे या तुम्हें uncomfortable feel कराए या he tries to touch you awkwardly and you feel uncomfortable about it, please feel free to shout at that person and make noise about it and slap him on my behalf. I've slapped people in DTC bus in Delhi when I was going to college and once I used to get scared कि मैंने मारा अब now what if he brings more people and कुछ भी हो सकता है ऐसे करके, but मुझे लगा that gave me a lot of power and I used that power.